Okay, so again, this is period 7 quiz, and these are problems 3 and 4. So you're asked to determine whether the 3 side lengths make a triangle. If they do, then tell what kind of triangle it is. Notice this is 2 questions. Here's the first question, here's the second question, okay? So you need to give 2 answers. So in Algebra 2, they're going to mix a bunch of questions into the same instructions. So you need to be prepared to be able to recognize that. Okay, so for the triplet 6, 5, 10, let's decide whether or not it makes a triangle. So let's try 6 plus 5 is 11 is greater than 10. Okay. 5 plus, try our next pair, 5 and 10. 5 plus 10 is definitely greater than 6. Try our third pair, 6 plus 10 is definitely greater than 5. So yes, we have our triangle. All 3 are greater than the largest, greater than the other number. So, and that's what it takes to be a triangle. So now we need to figure out what kind, and that's where Pythagoras comes in. So again, a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So we'll make our 6 the a, our 5 the b, and our 10 the c. 6 squared is 36. 5 squared is 25. Is equal to 100. Well, we don't know if it's equal, but it might be different than 100. So 6 and 5 is 11. 61 is less than 100. Okay, so we know because it's less than 100, then it must be obtuse. Okay, so I'm going to erase this just to give us a little more room. Okay. So here we have 3 centimeters, square root of 5 centimeters, square root of 14 centimeters. And so you're going to need to know what numbers those represent, what value, what is the square root of 5. You can't simplify it anymore, so then you have to go to your calculator and you find out that square root of 5 is equal to 2.24. And then you go to the square root of 14, plug it into your calculator, and you get 3.74. So let's figure out if this is a triangle or not. So we're going to say 3 plus 2.24, is that greater than 3.74? Obviously, because that's like 5.24. Okay, so now we're going to have 2.24 plus 3.74. We're going to see if that is greater than 3, obviously, right? Because you got 3 here and you 2 here, so you're up around 5. Okay, let's check the third one. 3 plus 3.74. Is that going to be greater than 2.24? Obviously. Okay, 3 plus 3 is 6. That's already greater than 2 without even dealing with the decimals. Okay, so I've got all 3 greater than, so yes, I've got myself a triangle. Okay, now, we've got to use good old Pythagoras. So 8 squared plus b squared equals c squared. We'll pick, let's pick 3 as our a, so we'll say 3 squared plus square root of 5 squared equals square root of 14 squared. Okay, 3 squared is 9. The square root of 5 squared, remember the radical cancels the exponent, so we end up with 5. Square root of 14 squared, the radical cancels the exponent, we end up with 14. 9 plus 5 is 14, they're equal. Okay, so that is a right triangle. Okay, and you're done. So we'll continue on the next video to problem 4.